Hi, Jay here at Kiffert's Trailer Sales. Now that the weather's getting lovely, we're hiding in the shade so we can do this video to show you what's going to make or break your mowing, your augering, or anything else you're doing with a PTO driven implement. We spend a lot of money on our equipment. That's why we like to keep it good. This little shear pin right here is going to save us from destroying any of our implements that we have. This little bolt right here in my hands is called a shear pin. This is designed to break from the PTO shaft to your PTO driven implement right in here, so if you hit a rock or something that is going to destroy your implement, the shear pin then breaks and does not ruin your implement, and you just got to spend another 65 cents and get a new one. People think bigger, better, stronger is going to be better for the shear pin. That is not the case. We want the shear pin to break if we hit something hard so we don't destroy our implement. Not all implements are made the same size or the same way. If you're not sure about your implement's shear pin size, come in and come see me and I'll help you find the right shear pin that's going to suit your needs.